As a conversion tracking specialist, I help Shopify Store owners improve their ads and generate sales. The secret, accurate data tracking. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up Facebook pixel on your Shopify Store using Google Tag Manager. I will cover everything from creating your Facebook pixel in Business Manager, adding it to Google Tag Manager, setting up events, and testing to make sure everything works perfectly. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I share weekly tips on conversion tracking and ad optimization to help you grow your business. Alright, let's get started to set up Facebook pixel the right way. First, you will need a Facebook pixel ID. If you already have a Business Manager account, you will likely have a pixel ID. If you don't have one, here is how to create it. Go to your Business Manager at businessmanager.com. In the Events Manager section, select Connect Data. Under Data Source, choose Web and click Next. Select Create New Dataset and give your pixel name. Then select Create. Your Facebook pixel will now be created. If you already have one, there is no need to create a new one. Next, setting up your Google Tag Manager account. Tag Manager allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags without editing your site's code directly. Visit tagmanager.google.com and click Create Account. Enter your business name as an account name. Select your country from the drop-down. Enter your website name. Choose Web since you will be using GTM for your website. Click Create and review Google's Terms of Service. Agree and click Yes to continue. Once the account and container are created, GTM will provide a container ID. Now we need to add the Shopify data layer to your websites. Data layer this helps provide product and user information dynamically. I will provide a data layer document link in the video description box where you can copy the data layer code. Copy the entire data layer code. Go to your Shopify admin and select Setting. Then select Customer Events. Create a custom pixel and enter any pixel name. Paste the copied data layer entire code here. Select that permission is not required and that the data doesn't qualify as sales. Replace the Google Tag Manager container ID with the one you created earlier. After replacing, click Save and Connect. The data layer is now connected to your website. You can test the Shopify data layer by clicking Test. And you will see the pixel helper showing product information in the event. Now let's move on to setting up Facebook pixel using Google Tag Manager. In the Tag Manager section, select Preview. Enter here your Shopify URL and select Connect. In the product page, you can see the Tag Assistant is connected. If I select the Tag Assistant Preview, you will see the event. This event name is the view item. And go to the data layer. We need to create this product information as a data layer for Facebook pixel. And go to the Tag Manager section, select the variables. In the variable section, select New and the data layer. Now we need to pass this information like the content category, content IDs, name, type. Contents is required for catalog ads and the currency value. Like we need to create the for content name. Copy the AP browser site. And this will be the DLB name and select Save. And I have already created the required data layer here. You can see the for external ID, the category, content ID, name. And now we need to create some tickets. Go to the ticket section And I have created the required triggers like for the view cart, the view item, the purchase, page view, begin checkout, add to cart, add payment information. And if you have the different trigger, you can also create it here. Now go to the text section and select the new tag configuration. And you will see here is the Facebook pixel template. Now we need add the Facebook pixel ID. Go to the your events manager and you will get here is the dataset ID, copy. If you create the constant variable, then you will not need to add copy and paste it here from events manager to Google tag manager. And I have already created a constant variable and paste it here and select the save. I have added the Facebook pixel ID here. The event will be the standard as a page view. Then select the enable advanced matching, custom parameter, then select the external ID. And everything is fine, then select the targeting. This is will be the page view and enter here the pixel name. Congratulations, our first tag is created, done. Now let's create for the view content. And change with the view content. Then again select the enable advanced matching and the customer information. Select again the external ID. Now select the object properties. We need to edit some property name here. This is required for the view content. The first one will be the content name. I added the required parameters here. Now we need to edit the property value. The property value will be the data layer variable and I have already created in the variable section. Now I will edit this the required variable. The first one will be content name, content IDs, the category, the contents, and this one is value and the currency. Okay, I have added the property value, the required all fields. Now select the triggering. This triggering will be the view content. As we can see the view item. Now select save, enter here any name. That would be the view content and select save. Okay. Now let's create the Facebook pixel for add to cart event. Again select the Facebook pixel and select the add to cart, the enable advanced matching. Select the external ID, edit the property value. Select the object properties, add property. We need to edit again the content type, name. Now again we need to edit the property value for this content type. Okay, I added the all properties value. Now select the triggering. This triggering will be the add to cart and make sure to you have to select the add to cart as a standard event. Again select the Facebook pixel, enter here any name. Okay, and we forget it to edit the Facebook pixel ID. I am adding it. Okay, then select save. Now we need to create event for the initiate checkout. Again select the tag configuration, select the pixel ID, edit the Facebook pixel ID again here, and then select the initiate checkout, the add payment info as a standard event. Again select the enable advanced matching. Select the external ID. Then select object properties. Again, we need to edit the property name. And for this, the add payment info, we need to add a extra parameter number of items. Okay, I added the property name here, the for extra parameter, the add payment info. This one is the number of items. Okay, the parameter will be the number of quantity. This one is for content name, the IDs, content ID, the name, the content type, and this one is content name. This one is for category, the contents, and this one for value and the currency. Okay, then triggering will be the add payment info. Then select save, enter here any details name. Now let's create the for initiate checkout event. And this initiate checkout also you can say this one will be the begin checkout. Okay, edit the Facebook pixel ID here. Again select the advanced matching. Edit the external ID and select object properties. Again need to write here the property name. And again need to edit the property value. Okay, I added the all required property value, and we need to add the extra parameter for the checkout. This will be the number of items, and the triggering will be the begin checkout, and enter here any details name. Okay, our the 5 tag is created done. Now we need to create the final tag is for the purchase. Create new tags. Again select the Facebook template and edit the pixel ID, and the standard event will be the purchase. Select the advanced matching, and now we need to add the extra parameter like the email, like the city, country, first name, last name, phone, state, zip code. And this extra parameters is required with the purchase event. Now I'm adding the required parameters, email, I added the customer information extra parameter for purchase. Now I'm selecting the object properties. Again, we need to edit some property name. For the purchase event, we need add extra parameters for the order ID. Now I'm adding the property value. Now replace the triggering will be the purchase. Select shape and enter here name for the purchase. And congratulations, our all Facebook pixel text is created done. Now select the submit. Enter here any version name. Then select publish. Select the preview. And enter here your Shopify URL and select connect. The tag return is connected and you can see here is the Meta Pixel helper. I'm using this extension. You will get this extension from Google. Just search using this name and you can see the event is fired. Here is showing the view content. Here is the contents and the content category. Because this product has no category, this is my testing store. That's why here is showing the no set and the content IDs, the name, the currency value, everything is here is showing. Here is the external ID. Okay, and if I select the AddToCart and events manager, it will take time to receiving data. Okay, in the website section I added the AddToCart. You can see here is event is fired. And now select the checkout. Also you can see here is the InitiateCheckout event is fired. Now I'm making a test purchase. I'm entering here the demo information. And the purchase is successful. If I select the pixel ID, the tag assistant helper, and select the purchase, you can see here is showing the information here, the contents, the content name, everything here is showing. And if I go to the events manager, it will take time to receiving data. Let me show you a real life case studies. I set up Facebook pixel for my client. The total events is receiving the last 12 minutes ago also receiving this way the PageView, ViewContent, AddToCart, checkout, even AddPaymentInfo custom. And I already set up a custom event for this business and for this website, the late event. So here is showing the event match quality. That's mean I have set up the conversion API for this website. Okay, that's your pixel will be shown this way. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help setting up Facebook pixel to help you grow your business, you can book a call with me using the link in the video description box or send me an email. My contact details are also below. Let's work together to take your business to the next level.